Good morning, class. These days we are discussing about the tenses, and we have completed the present tense and started the past tense. We have also done the simple past tense. So its formation was subject plus second form of the verb plus object. And when we have to make it negative, we have to use did not. So subject plus did not plus first form of the verb means present form of the verb, right? We have done this, and yesterday we discussed the exercise of this, and then we started past continuous tense. So in past continuous tense we have done that the formation was subject plus was or were plus present participle form of the verb, means ing form of the verb. So the formation was subject plus was or were plus present participle form plus object. So was or were we have to use as per the subject. If the subject is singular, we have to use singular was, and if the subject is plural, then plural verb were. Okay. We have also made the sentences I was running, I was not running, was I running, was I not running. So they were affirmative, negative, interrogative and negative interrogative. So on the next page we have also revised the uses and fill in the blanks of the tense. How to fill the blank with the help of the verb in past continuous tense. Okay. So today we are going to start the past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. Now see what is the formation of past perfect. Had plus past participle. Had plus past participle. What is past participle? It is the third form of the verb. We know it very well. The first form is called present. The second form is called past. And the third form is called past participle. Clear? What is first form? Present. Second, past. And third, past participle. So these are the three forms of the verb. Their names are present, past and past participle. So in the past perfect tense, we have to use had plus third form of the verb, and it is called past participle. So subject plus had plus third form of the verb. It is with our formation. And now see the examples. As in affirmative means positive statement. If I have to frame the sentence, they had returned before the rain started. If negative is there, they had not returned before the rain started. Interrogative, had they returned before the rain started? And negative interrogative, had they not returned before the rain started? So in negative formation we have to use not. In interrogative we have to use had on the first, and negative interrogative then had plus not, both the things will be there. Clear to everyone? In affirmative had plus past participle, negative had not, interrogative had they returned, had at the first, and negative interrogative had they not returned. And interrogative and negative interrogative, both questions will be there, right? Yeah. Now let us see some uses where it is used, because the use of the tense is very important. Where have we to use? To express an action that was completed at a certain time in the past. By half time they had scored 2 goals. They had finished the whole food by 10 a.m. By half time, they had scored 2 goals. They had finished the whole food by 10 a.m. And B part, to express an action in the past which was completed before another also in the past. Make it clear. 2 actions that took place in the past, but one finished before that. Just as the train had left before we reached the station. Means both the action they took place in the past, but the train was left first and we reached the station on second. Right? So the train had left before we reached the station. He had just come when it started raining. So the action that took place earlier had will be used with that. Okay? To express an action in the past which was completed before another also in the past. Right? Now let us see exercise number 64. Add the past perfect tense. All the workers dashed the factory when the main gate closed. What we have to do? Had plus third form of the verb. So speak the answer. All the workers had entered the factory when the main gate closed. Then second, when he requested me for money, I had got the money order. Get, got. Enter, entered, entered. Have, had. Run, ran, run. Get, got. I am speaking the verbs that given in the bracket. Leave, left. Finish, finished. Complete, completed. Pass, passed. Go, went, gone. Right? Yeah. Now let us fill them. We have to fill the past perfect means had plus third form of the verb. So when he requested me for money, I had got the money order. We had dinner by 8 p.m. He had run away before I could catch hold of him. I got on the train when the whistle blew. She had left when the telegram came. When I had finished my homework, I played. When the bell rang, the teacher had completed the lesson. At the age of 20, she had passed the examination and the bell had gone before he reached the school. So now let us see the past perfect continuous tense. How many we have done? We have done past, then past continuous, past perfect, and it is last form past perfect continuous. Now see what is the formation. Had been plus present participle. Had been plus V1 plus ing. It is called V1 and ing, present participle. And then since and for also we will use here. Let us see the affirmative. I had been writing since morning. I had not been writing since morning. Had I been writing since morning? And had I not been writing since morning? Question mark. In interrogative and negative interrogative, we have to mark question mark. Right? So what we have to use? Had been plus present participle and also since and for. Since we use for period of time and for we used for point of time. For example, I had been writing for 2 hours. I had not been writing for 2 days. Had I been writing for 1 hour, had I not been writing for 2 hours. Means for the period of time and since for the point of time. Means from where the work started and for means how long it works. Clear? Now see the uses. This tense is used to express an action which began in the past and continued up to a given point of time. The work that began in the past and continued up to a given point of time. For example, I had been waiting for him for 10 minutes when he arrived. She had been playing since morning when she felt tired. Okay? Now let us try to fill the blank. And I was tired because I dashed since morning. So what we have to fill? Past perfect continuous. Had been working. I was tired because I had been working since morning. I had been looking for my pen for 10 minutes when I found it. Okay, now see the last page. What we have to fill? Had been plus present participle form of the verb. They had been waiting for half an hour when the chief guest arrived. I had been writing the poem for 2 hours when I learnt it by heart. When he went to England, he had been teaching in the school for 5 years. The students had been writing the papers for 3 hours when the bell rang. And the last, let us see, it is number 8. The telephone had been ringing for 3 minutes when I picked up the receiver. They had been playing for an hour when it began to rain. I had been trying to solve the sum for an hour before I found the answer. So in this way, today we have discussed the past perfect and past perfect continuous tense. So today our past tense is complete and from tomorrow we shall start our future tense. So I hope the tense is clear to you.